Hi, welcome to Bitcoin Support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bulletin into your website. So the first thing we're going to check to make sure this bulletin size in PDF format isn't too high. So if the PDF format is above 1.5 MB, then we're going to have to compress it on this website. So I have a sample bulletin here. Let's check the size. This is 1.83 MB, so we have to compress it on that website. So we're going to open the website. I already have mine open here, and we're going to click this and drag, and we're going to drop. The link to this website is already provided, so we're going to wait for it to do its stuff, and we're going to download it once it's done. Okay, so we download this. So once it's downloaded, so here we go. So the next step says we're going to log into the website. Your login credentials are very confidential. Please do not share with any third party. So you're going to put them in here and click login. The guide on how to log in has already been sent. So once you log in, you would get access into your dashboard here with this smiley face. Okay, so the step 2, go to all bulletins page, click sermons in the left menu. So we're going to click on this sermons right here in the left menu. So while that loads up, now step 3, duplicate the first bulletin on this list. Click duplicate sermon. So this is the page that will display all bulletins on the website. Here we have just one, so we're going to hover your mouse here and just click duplicate. Just click it and wait about 3 to 4 to 5 seconds. So the next step says click on the new bulletin created on the list. So as you can see, the new bulletin is above here. It adds a copy to it, so we're going to click on it. So while that loads up, step 5 now say edit the following: the name, the permalink. Let's do that. So this is it now. So we're going to edit the new name right here. Highlight, delete, new name. Then we're going to select all this to edit the permalink. Select all this, right click, copy, come click on edit here, triple click or right click and then click paste. Highlight everything and click paste, click OK. So now we've edited the name and the permalink. We're going to come back here and then we're going to edit date preached and then bulletin, remove old and add new one. So date preached, just look down a bit. You can change this to the exact date. So let's say 4th on Wednesday. So we're going to scroll down. It says after date preached, it says bulletin. So we're going to scroll down a bit, just keep scrolling down till you get to a point here that says bulletin. So because we duplicated this, remember this is the old bulletin link, so we're going to remove this and we're going to click add new file so that we can add a new one. So we're going to click so yeah, we're on the upload files part. We're going to come back to where we downloaded the optimized PDF file. Remember, we're going to click and then drag right here, drop. Wait for it to upload. Okay, I'm going to click use this file right here. So see, it has been added. The next step says preacher. So we're going to come back here, scroll to the top a bit and look for preacher. So the preacher is already Pastor Margaret Onobanjo because she was the one in the other one. But if there's another preacher, we're just going to press this here and click on pastor. Let it load up here and all pastors are going to come up. So let's say Pastor Taiwo, but if there's another pastor, we could just write out the full name here and click on add. But right now I just clicked on pastor, it loaded up and I selected Pastor Taiwo, and then the next step says click on update. So we're going to click on update and that's it. Once it's updated, it's going to show up on the weekly bulletin page, which is right here. So if you reload this, it's going to show up right here on this page. New name, here it is. Thank you very much.